Why did you change so much? Did you learn enough that you wanted to? Or did you have been hurted enough that you had to?
I grew up, Mom. You cannot carry me anymore. My worries are more now. My list of dreams is taller than me. I grew much that I cannot knock on your door at night and cry.
After the end of every love story, I realized that it was not love, because love is meant to be lived, not remembered.
And my sorrow sat next to me, stared at me for a while. Then it burst into tears, and I remained silent.
The older you get, the more quiet you become. Life humbles you so deeply as you age. You realize how much nonsense you have wasted time on. You start to accept things for what they really are. You stop forcing friendships and connections with people, and you just learn to grow.